Welcome, entrepreneurs and enthusiasts, to a transformative journey into the realm of additive manufacturing. Today, we unveil a comprehensive guide that will empower you to navigate the intricacies of starting your entrepreneurial venture in the dynamic world of additive manufacturing. While navigating in this process, let us discuss on the core concepts of additive manufacturing. We define additive manufacturing and draw comparisons with traditional manufacturing process, and we can understand how effective and helpful for us to do anything on our own without going through a lot of process in the traditional manufacturing. Comparatively, there are pros and cons in this too, but to start the business, you need to start exploring simple key technologies such as 3D printing, stereolithography, and fused deposition modeling, which are often highlighted in the market. You may be having these machines available in the market coming from different brands. You can compare it and you can start buying at least a single set of 3D printing or fused bed deposition modeling machines so that you can start your journey from the basics. Coming to this process of the entrepreneurial journey, if you want, you need to embark on this journey through a current state of additive manufacturing industry. You have to survey growth patterns, market dynamics, and explore diverse industry applications from aerospace and healthcare to automotive and beyond. There are a lot of sectors which are using additive manufacturing. In this process, you have to start the survey and understand how far you can do this as an individual startup and explore this to make sure that you grow your business at high standards globally. In this process of entrepreneurship, the allure of additive manufacturing that makes additive manufacturing is a game changer. You need to isolate its advantages just with comparison of the design flexibility, rapid prototyping, customization, and cost efficiency. With this knowledge and backed up by real world success stories, you will be able to develop compelling business case studies, and also you will understand how to sell in this emerging market. While thinking about the market, you need to analyze the market, delve into the specifics of additive manufacturing market, and understand the characteristics of your target market. You need to identify niches and prospect business opportunities. A comprehensive competitor analysis guide at this stage is very important for you to understand the prospects, niches, and the target market. So it's very important for you to follow the competitor analysis guide available through some sources, or even if you're interested, we can provide you with a very advanced comprehensive competitor analysis guide that will help you or guide you in strategically positioning your venture. Going ahead, there are some simple steps toward industry entry in this field. Step number one is knowledge and skill enhancement. Unlock the first door to industry entry by grasping 3D printing technologies. Explore enrichment opportunities through online courses, workshops, and certificates to build a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. The basics of 3D modeling are understanding the principles of the basics, how to make a part model, assembly, and do the analysis, pre-analysis before printing will be more than enough to start this business. Or else you can hire a skilled person who is really a good creative designer using the digital tools connected to the 3D printer and efficiently analyze, do the pre-analysis, and he or she must also have the uh, idea and experience of printing. If not, you need to attend some skilled courses given by some skilled professionals or workshops, and learn this, get certified, and start. Step number two is research and ideation. You need to embark on the second step by pinpointing niche markets and unmet needs. Then, it's very important for you to ignite creativity in product conceptualization by exploring avenues for innovation and differentiation. Coming to, if you would like to really grow in this business, then the step number three is crafting a robust business plan. So, this is the most important step. Unless and until you don't have a proper business plan, it will be very difficult for you to understand where to start and end, or how to plan your business growth, or the timeline for the next 5 years projection. You have to understand the basics, draft a plan which will really help you in long run. So you need to dive into crafting a comprehensive business plan covering essential components and financial projections. Learn how to articulate your vision, mission, and strategy to attract investors, especially, and stakeholders. Step number four, the selection of equipment and technology. You need to navigate the landscape of 3D printers and software choices. As I said earlier, there are a lot of brands available in the market who sell 3D printers and also inbuilt software. Software is also given along with the printer, which is compatible with the printer. So you need to understand or see the reviews online and speak to the experienced people who are already into this business. Remember, creativity is must, and marketing skills are really very important for this business. Unless you don't have these two things, how to sell the creative product digitally, it will be very difficult for you to grow in this business. So the basic thing is you need to have some skills in 3D modeling, especially you need to develop your creativity and understand how to convert that creative idea, design concepts into the real-time scenario using this 3D printer. Point number five, that is the step number five, is addressing legal aspects. Ensure a solid legal foundation by safeguarding intellectual property and adhering to industry standards and regulations. You need to navigate the complexities of legal considerations in additive manufacturing. For example, if you develop a product which is really unique, and if you want to keep it very safe, and you want that it is on your name and you don't want some other person or any company copy, then you need to go for design patents. So let us discuss on these design patents and how to get those things in next video. But in this, let us explore step number six. That is the most important step, is brand establishment. In this business or additive manufacturing, the brand establishment process is really crucial, because there are a lot of people who make a small product and sell in Amazon simply on their personal name, or they want to sell in Etsy, any other digital product selling online platform. But if you have a brand and if you have a patent registered, it will be easy for you to manage the product and to sell that product for long run. It will be helpful for you to get back the audience who have purchased from you for the first time. If you have a brand, they will identify you. If you have a brand, they will understand the quality standards and everything. With that identification in the market, you can lead, as well as they will identify you as a creator, a company, or a brand, so that they can return back to you for buying other upcoming products manufactured by you. So this is one of the most important step where you need to focus, and you need to be very careful, honest for the establishment of your own brand. Next, coming forward to the step number 7 is the operational setup. Navigate the logistics of setting up operations. Choose an optimal location, arrange equipment efficiently, and build the infrastructure necessary for your additive manufacturing venture. Honestly, for starting this business, you need not have huge infrastructure. It's very simple. Step number 8 is marketing and networking initiatives. You need to strategize digital marketing approaches to reach your target audience effectively. Cultivate connections within the additive manufacturing community to foster collaborations and partnerships. If you want all these things at one place, you can join our community. The link will be provided in the description below. Now, coming to the step number 9, you must be able to offer tailored services. You need to diversify your services to meet a broader range of client needs, cultivate client relationships by offering customization options and rapid prototyping services. So, this section will also help you to earn good enough money so that you can stay in the market and for the long run. Now, the most important thing in any business is how to overcome challenges. For this, you need to identify common hurdles faced by additive manufacturing entrepreneurs and implement effective strategies for overcoming obstacles. So, you need to study, you need to speak to entrepreneurs who are already doing this business, get their experience, learn from them, and implement in your business so that at the very beginning stage you will be able to understand how to balance the situation if any obstacle come on the way and how to overcome that. So learn from the experiences of those who have navigated challenges successfully. So that is very important. The future trends in additive manufacturing is the future is emerging. This is really emerging the business area sector. You need to embrace sustainable practices. That is very important to stay ahead of the curve and align your venture with evolving industry trends. Sustainable practices means you need to analyze whatever you have making the material is eco-friendly, or else the percentage of carbon content in that is minimal when compared to other traditional products which are available in the market. So if you are able to produce that information to the people, it will be very helpful for you in long run. The most important thing I would like to say is chronicles of success. You need to delve into inspiring tales of entrepreneurial triumphs in additive manufacturing. That means you need to focus on how people are flourishing in this field. Then you will get inspired, and that will really help you to stay tuned in this business instead of getting bored if something happens in between. Stay tuned to it just by looking at those successful people in this business area. Extract valuable lessons and key insights from those who have successfully carved their niche in this dynamic industry. Sustaining learning momentum. I recommend you to access the resources, books, websites, and community to sustain the learning momentum beyond this session. See, this video is just an informative. If you want to really involve in this, you need to learn all these things on day-to-day basis. The more you learn, the more clearer will be the picture about this business in your mind, and that will really help you to create the momentum so that you can practically start your business in this field and earn very good profits. Thanks for watching.